Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a very simple water cocoa cake. Why water cocoa cake? Because of course we use water to make it. It's a very light cake, very delicious, and it's very quick to make, like all the other recipes on this channel. Please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to this channel, leave a like, because it helps a lot my channel to grow. Thank you very much, and let's see how to make it. First of all, place in a quite a big bowl the flour, then add the sugar and pass it through colander so they will not form any lumps. It will take a bit, but it will give a nice texture to the cake. Then do the same for the cocoa, pass it through the sieve. And lastly, do the same for the baking powder. Lastly, you can add the pinch of salt and vanilla. At this point, mix very well all the dry ingredients together. And when you have mixed them very well, you can add first the water. Give a good stir and then add the oil. Mix it very, very well. Now you can get your cake tin, pour a tiny bit of oil in the middle, and with a brush, just spread the oil all around so our cake is not gonna stick. You can transfer the mix inside cake tin. Level the mix very well. Spread it all around. Switch on the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and when the oven is ready, you can place it inside the oven for 35 minutes. There we go. After 35 minutes, this is the final result. Now we're gonna sprinkle a bit of icing sugar on the top to make it a little bit better. Just get a tiny colander and start to scoop the sugar inside and just sprinkle it all around. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and Facebook one too. So if you'd like to follow me over there, on Instagram I give a little bit more hints about my life so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to Studio UK channel that I will link down below. He's my husband and he's the one that is filming every single time.
Thank you very much, homie.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.